Hi guys, welcome back to Go Trekking. We are at Thabonel Bush Camp, right next to Jubaweni. We're actually here to come watch a bit of hockey, see what his sister's up to. You guys have met Kayla before, and this is one of the closest places you can possibly stay. Other side of the fence is Jubaweni. We're very lucky to find this absolute gem. We're going to show you what it looks like inside. So it's one of those units that has aircon, Wi-Fi, which is awesome because there's almost no signal when it comes to MTN. Fridge, stove. It's all electric, so plan for that because in South Africa we have load shedding. So when there's no power, that obviously is not going to work for us. It's an interesting story about the place. It is actually built for the son who works in America. So he comes back 3 months in a year. That's when he lives here, and the rest of the time it's rented out. And it really does feel like a very comfortable home when you walk in. It has lovely couches, the Wi-Fi, satellite television, all in the bush. Driving in, how many buckets we see? 15?
No, it's a little bit much, 5. Like 10.
10. Alright, so at the water hole, there were 2 outside the gate when we opened up, so that's pretty cool. And it just, yeah, it's such a comfortable environment. Finished with one double bed on this side, bathroom, shower, you go through here, and some more space for the kids. Luan, have you picked a bed?
That one.
That one?
That one.
Alright, right next to the window. That leads outside again. It does have an alarm on it. And if you come this side, through the very spacious lounge area, here's your queen size bedroom, cupboard space, and another shower and bathroom. And then Luan, you want to take us outside to your favorite spot?
Yeah. I just walk.
Of course, couldn't wait to show me.
There's a pool table outside.
Why are you so excited, Luan?
I don't know.
Give you hiding.
No. TV, pool table, and ping pong there. Darts back there.
So television, outside again, a lot of place to sit. Pool table's in good condition. Darts, some more places outside here. You can see Granddad sitting at the bottom enjoying the sun already. And you're literally on a feeding spot. Very happy, very excited. Looking forward to showing you some more stuff. Something about the venue as well, because of all the wildebeest or buffalo. They ask you don't walk outside, but you can drive to the farm and enjoy it. And from my point of view, getting to Jubaweni, I think it's 3 venues that are within 5 kilometers. After that it becomes 15, 20, up to 40 kilometers away, any place near here. So very, very thankful that we're here, and looking forward to just supporting our kids. And so far this is definitely the place to be at. Make sure you book very early if you know your child's coming on a camp here. Right, so we normally do a bathroom review. We're not really camping. Inside it's immaculate, but outside is pretty interesting as well. So there's another outside shower and bathroom area literally in the bush, so you can enjoy your shower. Over here, nice big head if you can't see properly, but this is the view while you're having your shower. I reckon this is a must, but I'm sure it's pretty cold in the morning. It is winter at the moment. There you guys are. That's what you look like to me. Say hello. And the throne itself. Good morning, it's our last morning. It's a quick roundup of things to know after 4 days of staying here with family. The first thing is, will I come back? Absolutely. So hopefully next year, if we do camp to Jubaweni again and the kids come fully camping, we want to make sure that we come back. Luan, is this a nice place? Would you want to come back next year for the hockey? Come stay here again? Yeah. Alright, so that's an odds up, so that's good. Little things to take note of, just in case it's important to you. Number 1, there's no bath, it's only showers. So if you have a little baby, you're not in the bath, it might be difficult, or just bring something to use for them. Second thing, load shedding. I mean, it's reality. It's watching the news again today. Next 5 years, this is what we're going to sit with. So when there is no power, there's no power here, and your geysers won't work because they use a pump system to get water into the house, and if the water pressure drops, your geyser shuts off and you can't use that. Just work around, it's fine. There are 2 showers one in each bathroom basically, one in each bedroom. But we found that when we were 3 people sort of in a row, the 4th person had no water at all. So just again, plan, have some guys in the morning, some guys in the evening, take their showers, and they'll be fine. On my side, I must say, just the shower was amazing. It's huge, the pressure is very high, and the water is very warm, so that's a bonus. It makes just staying in a place like this much better. Then when you go out on your game drives, it seems that most of the animals come up to about this house. Some of them would go a bit further, but our best game drive by far was to head to the main gate and then turn right onto the 2-track road and just go into that field. It was actually a pretty cool trip. So a lot of species that you didn't see on this side were congregating on that side, so that is the place to go to when you do your game drive. And then for planning purposes, if you're a parent going to Jubaweni for hockey or any of the other sports, it's a 5-minute drive from here to the Jubaweni gate. It's a 10-minute drive inside of Jubaweni to get there, so it's 15 minutes. And the last important thing is, come prepared if you don't want to drive a lot, because the closest town genuinely is 50 kilometers. That's also where the closest stores are, so if you need anything, it's a 100-kilometer round trip to get it. But that's it. I definitely want to book here next year. Bring Mom, bring Marcus. I think they'll have a jewel, especially all the animals coming right here to eat. I think it's well worth it. Guys, keep on tracking. Hope to see you soon. Cheers.